Hi everybody, Laura here for Simon Says Stamp. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm excited to bring you the reveal of the Celebrate You release by Simon Says Stamp, and I'm going to walk you through all of the new products, starting with this beautiful background cling stamp. It's called the Gerbera Daisy Background, and it is foam mounted on red rubber. So you know you're going to get a beautifully stamped impression every time, whether you want to stamp it tone on tone, you want to emboss it. And then next we have the adorable Chillin' Frenchies stamp set. Also comes with the Chillin' Frenchies coordinating dies. Really cute little French bulldog images with some fun sentiments to coordinate with these for all your dog-loving friends. And then we have the Big Birthday Greetings stamp set. It also comes with the Big Birthday Greetings coordinating die, which will die cut the balloon, the slice of cake, and that large candle. And I love the variety of sentiments here. You get different looks, different fonts. Some are handwritten. Next, we have Daisy Bouquet. I know there are a lot of flower lovers out there who just really have a fun time watercoloring these or using your colored pencils. However you do, this is great for the daisy lover. Now for the patriotic occasions, we have the Patriotic Service stamp set along with the Patriotic Service coordinating die. This would be great for the upcoming 4th of July or any type of patriotic occasion. There's also 2 stencils in this release. This first one is called Confetti, and this would be great to do backgrounds on birthday cards, 4th of July. And this one's called the American Flag Stencil. And I love how the stripes are separated from the stars so you can ink blend them in different colors. You can make a large flag, a small flag. Just a lot of fun for patriotic cards. Now we have some new dies. I don't actually have the dies, so I printed out what the die set will look like. And this is the Incredible Woman coordinating die set, which coordinates with the previously released Incredible Woman stamp set. So this is going to die cut those words that go vertical, like aunt and mom and mother. So you can die cut those words. You can die cut all the floral images, and you can buy those as a set. If you already have the stamp set, you can just pick up the die set for Incredible Woman. And then again, I have one more where I don't actually have the die, so I printed out what the die set will look like. And this one is for the Delicate Flowers stamp set. This is another previously released stamp set. So if you have the stamp set, you can just pick up the coordinating die, or you can buy the 2 as a set. Moving right along, we have the Tiny Words birthday stamp set, and these are great. Gives you lots of options for birthday sentiments. They're sized a little bit smaller so they can coordinate well with sentiment die cuts or word die cuts. You can pair them. Speaking of die cuts, we have the Rounded Alphabet die set. I die cut these to show you for size. These are great for customizing your own sentiments on cards, maybe putting a name on a card or an envelope. And then we have 3 of these cute little Peking dies. The Peking Talking Frog, Peking Daisy. Again, I die cut these to show you just how cute they are. What I love about these is they're great for shakers. You get that big window. You can use the positive or the negative. So lots of options there, and these are just really cute. I love frogs. And then we have the I Love You. Again, this is one of those with the, what do you call it, like the shadow, the outline, so you can pair them together. You can use them separately. What I like about this is if you just wanted to use the word love, maybe you just want to use the word love, you can do that. And then we have the Words of Hope. So again, this is the word with the outline. You can use them with or without the outline. Gives you options. And then we have the Daisy Bloom. Now this is cool. I die cut this to show you. You get this beautiful daisy design, but all the little parts that popped out, I thought those could be cool. Maybe put them in a shaker, some confetti, I don't know, just brainstorming. And then we have the Filigree Message Circle. So it gives you that beautiful filigree image, but you can put a sentiment right in the center there. And there's a couple more filigree dies. This is the Filigree Butterfly. Again, you get that beautiful filigree butterfly design. And then the Filigree Border, which I think could make a really cool, quick and easy bookmark, don't you think? But it also has a beautiful design to create a border on a card. Moving right along, we have the rounded corner rectangle die set. Now this is one of those nesting die sets where you get several different sizes. This is like a staple. I love the rounded corner design to it. It's kind of unique. Next up, we have a few fun new designs by Kathy Zilski, and this one's called Stop, Drop, and Party. It also has the coordinating die set to go along with it. I love Kathy's humor, her clean and graphic style. This would be a great staple for birthday cards. This one's called Parental Props. Great for making cards for your mom and your dad. I like the little polka dot layering images there on the bottom. And another clean and graphic stamp set. This is called Hey Mama, and it's got the hey and the mama with the outline, so you can use it with or without the outline. You have options. And lastly, we have the HBD, which stands for Happy Birthday. I'm guessing. So again, you could use the positive or the negative. And then we have some Susie's Doodle watercolor printables. This is called Celebrate Dad. So these are great if you want to give these to your kids to color them for dad, or maybe you just want to color them. I kind of want to color that tie right there. But these are always popular with my kids. They work with a lot of different mediums. They're printed on watercolor cardstock, but they also work beautifully with Copics and colored pencil. There's also a new set of sentiment strips, which I love using. Surprisingly, you can die cut them out with the sentiment label dies, or you can just trim them with your paper trimmer. There's also two new sequin mixes, the Star Spangled, the red, white, and blue, and then the Fresh Cut Grass, which is the green, yellows, and the iridescence. And that is everything from the Celebrate You release by Simon Says Stamp. I hope you enjoyed this reveal. Make sure and check out the Simon Says Stamp blog for more information. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.